Today I will guide you through the steps to deactivate your Facebook account while keeping Messenger active. Let's get started. First thing, open your Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings menu on the mobile app. You can find it by tapping the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Tap on the settings and privacy and tap on the option settings again. After that, please click on the See More in Account Center. There you will find the option Your Information and Permissions. Click on it. Now go through Account Ownership and Control. And here is where you will find the option to deactivate your account. Click on it. As you can see, there are two options available: deactivate your account or delete your account. Please press on deactivate account and continue. After that, enter your password and continue. Facebook will ask you various reasons of deactivating your account. You can choose it according to your preference. Here I choose I have a privacy concern. Then continue and confirm with deactivate my account. You have now successfully deactivated your Facebook account. Now let's go through Messenger. You still have your Messenger active. Now you can take a break from the social media noise without losing touch with your friends. Thank you so much. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Now go ahead and enjoy your Messenger conversation without distractions. Thank you for watching.